Hello there, it's Felicia Tucker here, and I'm speaking to you from a home in Luthersville, Georgia. Today, I just wanted to quickly share with you my experience with Consumerbase slash exact data. Some of you might call them consumer based, some might call them exact data. I see that they kind of go by two different names. I'm not sure why, or maybe that's just um, a combination of their name. But I want to give you my review of Consumerbase because I know that they were not really, well, put it this way. I heard about them and I decided to give them a try, right? And now I'm looking here on ripoffreport.com. You can go there and just type in the search box consumer base. And I didn't realize that they had this many complaints already. And of course, I'm going to put my complaint in because this just isn't right. I believe in doing the right thing. And if you've been following me, you know I pay for ads, and so if I'm paying for advertisement, then I want the best. I don't want to be paying for crappy traffic, and I definitely don't want my people to be paying for crappy traffic, crappy traffic. But anyway, so I like to, whenever something is not going right for me, of course, I try to work it out first, which I have. I've contacted my bank to try to get my money back and everything, and I haven't gotten it back. So I know you're like, well, Felicia, what did they do to you? So what they did was, I think I spent almost $500 on about 5,000 leads, and um, and you might say, well, why did you spend so much money on so many leads? Because that is too many leads and that's a red flag. Well, this was actually given to me by a reputable person. So of course I figured, well, this guy is doing it and he's making all this money. Well, why don't I give it a try? Heck, it's only $500. And so that's what I did. And so yeah, I paid $500 for about 5,000 leads, and they actually referred me to this company called Hypermail, where you can import the emails and then they basically, you set it up so that the ad will go out. Well, I did that and we got not one opt-in. Not one. Nobody even clicked on a link. Nobody even opened the email, as a matter of fact. So that lets me know, as a marketer, as a solo ad broker, that that was not a legitimate lead source. I don't know where these people are getting these leads from, but it wasn't right. And so what I did was contacted the company Hypermail, because Consumerbase said, well, it's not us. You need to check with Hypermail. Maybe they didn't send it out right. Okay, and so I contacted Hypermail. The guy was very, very nice there. And he was like, well, I tell you what, Felicia, let me just give you these emails. I'm going to run the campaign with your same information, but with these emails, and just see if I get any opens or clicks. And if I do, then that lets you know that our system is actually working. And so you can pretty much guess what happened, right? So the guy did it, and it worked. We got opens, we got clicks. Now, that doesn't happen unless you're sending to real people, you know? So therefore, Consumerbase slash exact data has ripped me off. They ripped another guy off. I believe his name is David Bowen, and several other people. Like I said, go to ripoffreport.com. And I want this video to go viral because you know what? I believe in doing the right thing. And if people don't want to do the right thing and they don't want to work with you, then people need to know about that. People need to know about that, because just like Consumerbase, I'm building my business. You're building your business. And we don't need no scam artists or none of that taking our money. We're here to build an honest business, and we're here to work with other honest people. And if people can't do that, then they don't need our service. So what I want you to do is like this video, comment on it, and share it. Share this video as many times as you can, even if you don't buy leads, even if you're not in the paid advertisement, but you have friends or co-workers or business partners who you know pay for paid ads. You never know what type of source they're seeking out. So share this video, because I don't want this to happen to anybody else. Now, it took me long enough to get here and shoot this video because I should have shot it last month. But I tried to give them the benefit of the doubt. I've been working with my bank to try to get my money back, and they're pretty much trying to give my bank hell. So, you know, it is what it is. I'll just chalk that up as a loss, but I don't want them to be able to do that to anybody else. And like I say, they're on ripoffreport.com. Check them out. Type in Consumerbase and click the search button, and you'll see several complaints about Consumerbase. So that's my time. I don't mean to make this video very long. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. And again, I would definitely appreciate if you could like it, comment, and share this video. All right, so thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.